This is the continuation video for the different forms of energy, and uh, the next energy is the light energy. So light is a form of energy in the presence of which other objects are seen. So things are visible because of light energy. We'll discuss more about light energy in the final term. We do not feel light energy because ordinary light does not move the object around us. But a strong beam of light can move small particles like electrons. We have read in class 6 that light travels in a straight line and casts shadow of an opaque object. We have learned about umbra, penumbra, etc. The plants convert light energy into chemical energy by the process of photosynthesis. So conversion of energy we shall discuss later on. So I hope the light energy is clear. If it is not, then we have to discuss in detail. There's a whole chapter of light energy which you need to discuss. Next one is the chemical energy. The energy processed by fuels such as coal, oil, gas, etc. is called chemical energy. So by bonding those substances from where we can get heat energy, will be having chemical energy stored in them. The chemical energy of petrol or diesel is capable to move a car or a truck. The food that we eat also possesses chemical energy and makes us do work. Okay, it's quite small, and I think it's uh, easier also. So I wanted to discuss number 5, sound energy. A vibrating body possesses sound energy. When sound produced by a vibrating body reaches our ear membrane, it begins to vibrate and we hear the sound of the vibrating body. There is one more chapter of sound energy which I am supposed to do in class 7. We shall discuss this in detail in that chapter. So we will discuss about vibration etc. in that chapter also. So we can hear sound when the number of vibrations per second, which is also known as frequency, we shall discuss it afterwards, are in the range of 20 to 20,000 hertz. Actually hertz is not given here, but hertz we have to study is the unit of frequency. On the other hand, some animals like bat etc. can hear the sound of the vibrations per second above 20,000. For example, a tuning fork when struck gently on a rubber pad starts vibrating as shown in the figure. When these vibrations reach the ear of the boy, he hears the sound of the tuning fork. Okay, we have to discuss sound energy in detail. Okay, for the time being, just know that the sound energy is the type of energy which can create the sensation of hearing. The next energy is the magnetic energy. So the energy possessed by a magnet is called magnetic energy. A magnet can attract an iron nail from a distance, and thus the force exerted by the magnet makes the nail to move towards the magnet. So that means the power of the magnet to pull the magnetic substances is coming from the magnetic energy. An electric motor which is used to run a fan. Now electric motor, some people might have seen electric motor in the class, but some people might not have seen. See, last year we are doing some projects. In that project you had made some fan, or you have made some hydroelectric power plants. So in those projects they were using motors. So motors are used in your house also, like your washing machine, your mixer grinder, the fan, all will have a motor in it which makes the object rotate with the help of electricity. So an electric motor which is used to run the fan or other machines is also provided with the magnet within it, which creates the motion. Since a magnet can move iron particles, it is said to possess a form of energy. In factories, iron scrap is separated from the heap of waste material by using electromagnets fixed in the cranes. So what are electromagnets? Again, we have to discuss this afterwards, okay, when you do electricity. So using of electromagnets can separate the heaps of iron from the waste material also. So we're doing till here in this video. The next topic will be discussed in the next video. Thank you so much.